Welcome back to another episode of It's Hot as Balls. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what we've got to open up today is a Sneakers Day win, and this pair I feel like a lot of people did manage to hit on Sneakers Day. Obviously I did, and this is a pair of the Jordan 4 Canyon Purples. Now these are actually set to release at the end of the month on the 25th on the Sneakers app if you did miss it. And even though this is a women's exclusive kick, they are actually doing it in extended sizing up to an 11.5, so some of the mandem you will be able to get on this. So enough with the chat, let's get into it. If you're a real one, then you already know we only mess with the real-time unboxings on this channel. I got the box here straight from Nike, so let's go ahead and open her up. Wow. Fuck's sake. I'm so blessed to actually have a Jordan 4 box, which is nice because I just get the GS ones and they're always dead. Here we've got the box then. On top, as you can see, we just have that red Jumpman with Flight going across the top. This is a pull top, so the bottom half is all in just this, you know, grey speckled detailing. I believe there is some speckling on the shoe, so that's kind of a shout to, you know, what's to come. We just have regular Air branding on the top, and then, yeah, sizing as always. And as always, I grabbed myself a size 5. Why did I put the table so far away? Now I've got to put it on my legs, but we finna open this. Inside, tissue paper, boring as hell. Enough chat. Oh, these are giving me towelly vibes because I like the towelly joints. If you know me, you know I like towelly, and it's an obvious one. But I never thought I'm not gonna wear them. But these are giving towelly-esque vibes. Oh, I just felt it, but 100 times better. Oh my days, I've never felt suede like this. Jeez, this is like, I don't know, Cookie Monster's uncle, purple uncle. Nah, the quality, bro. Ooh, I can't knock the quality, bro. I don't know how I feel about the colorway, but quality-wise and like, I'm mind blown. Let's jump into the details then, and let's start with this upper, because it's kind of hard to not start with that, let's be honest. It's in this suede purple, let's call it purple canyon color. It's mad. Like, even though the suede is made to not look soft, it kind of looks a bit raggedy. You actually touch it, it is super soft, super high quality. I've honestly never felt suede like this on a pair of kicks that I own, like not this level. You can't beat it. You really got to touch it in hand. If you want to come up to the tongue, we do have a little bit of orange poking through here with the Jumpman Flight tag on there. To me, this is screaming a Halloween kick, if I'm honest. We got purple, orange, green. Like, I don't know why they didn't market this as a Halloween kick. I don't know. It's the vibe it's giving me. It's also giving me Grimace vibes. Is it Grimace, the McDonald's guy? I think that's his name. It's giving me that. And I want to talk about that because I wanted to jump into laces. And I heard that on the Jordan 1s on Sneakers Day, you didn't get any spare laces. But here, you got spare laces. You got these black joints. And me, personally, I think these black joints are most definitely a shout. So if you don't want to be grimacing it up, if you don't want to be I'm loving it, I would definitely swap up to the black laces. I feel like that's a nice little cheeky swap there, if I'm honest. Staying in this tongue and lace area then, let's talk about the accents. We obviously have these black accents and green speckled accents. I don't know what these bits are called, I always forget, because I don't think they're really classed as eye stays. Are they classed as eye stays? I don't know, but we've got them up top here. It obviously matches that midsole when we come down to there. Again, we have this green with the speckled black detailing. A little bit more black in here also, and we've also got a bit of contrast in white just to kind of lighten it up where you can see that bubble. If you want to head towards the back and that Jumpman tab, we've got that all in black. I'm going to keep saying it. It's a Halloween crepe. You've made a Halloween crepe in, is it August, July, June, July? It's August. You've made a Halloween crepe in August, but it's vibey, you know. I've always called this bit webbing. I don't think it is webbing, but we've got purple webbing. Behind the tongue, we have that Air Jordan branding on the tag, and this is all, again, in orange. You can't really see it, but it's a nice little touch. It's a nice little flex to be there. If you want to head inside, again, it is just all purple. We do have that Jumpman on the sole, which is just in orange, but apart from that, there's nothing else inside. The outer sole then is your generic Jordan 4. It's kind of encompassed all those colours we had on top, on bottom. So again, we have another orange Jumpman. We've got white, black, green, a bit of everything on here. And that's the sole. Should I try these on? I'm gonna need socks again. Fuck's sake. The ways I wanna give you this ass. Let's talk sizing then. And these are actually too big for me. I need to half a size down. Maybe that's just because I've only ever gone for 4s in a GS size and never a women's. I thought getting a 5 would be okay, but I do need to go down to at least a 4.5, I think. But I feel like if you know your women's size or regular size, you should fit Bless. For me, I just think it was a GS crossover, and now I know for next time I need to go half a size. So now I've gone over the details, the sizing and all that good stuff. It's just time for my overall initial thoughts of this kick then. And I'm really pleasantly surprised with these. The quality on it really can't be knocked. The QC, from what I can see and have heard, is not bad at all. It's most definitely given off really strong Halloween vibes. It's one for the vault, I think, one definitely to keep hold of. So for that reason, I'm going to sit them nicely. I'm probably give them a solid 8. Alright guys, thanks for sticking to the end of the video. I'm going through that quick little rundown of these Canyon Purple Jordan 4s. As always, be sure to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know what you think of these. Let me know if you picked up anything else on Sneakers Day or if you're going to go for these on the 25th. As always as well, you know you're always welcome to come over to the other places that I appear on the internet. Just type in @ShayCray and you're most likely to find me. Last but not least, if you want to keep looking swaggy, if you want to know what's coming out, if you want to know what's worth copying or even going and paying resale for, then you need to subscribe. So go ahead and hit that button before you leave. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. So when I read the description on these, it actually said that these were a Twilight take on these Jordan 4s. And I thought, I can't put that in the review because I already get the Twilight comparisons every day of my life. Like, I get it. I look like the girl from Twilight. I don't even think I look like her. I think we're just both moody white bitches. But whatever. Every time I get up to check the camera, you're going to see my butt because I'm not wearing anything on the bottom half because it's really fucking hot. But I'm just going to edit that out. So I have clothes on. I have clothes on. Nah, I can't get over the QC, man. They put on for us women. These are going to be a bitch if you get these wet. You're going to be like a wet dog, I swear. But nah, that's a vibe. I just want to touch it. Normally I'm not gassed, but I just want to touch it. Shout out to you, Nike, man.